are another fall in Arvada, and we're excited to unveil two new playground renovations. We have Danny Kendricks West Park as well as Farmstead Park.
We're really excited about them. The neighborhood came together and picked the theme for Farmstead, which is the agrarian theme, a farm. The best part about this was the community got together and we gave them the designs and we basically said, hey, look, what do you guys want here? We really listened to what they had to say, and this is what they ended up with, a beautiful playground. This playground consists of a nice spiral slide, the tractor. It's got a slope built into it right now. All the little kids are just having so much fun rolling down that. And the swings, that's just a straight go-to when it comes to a playground. You've got to have your swing sets.
Danny Kendricks West is an Old West theme. It includes a wagon train, it includes a hay net spinner, and an Old West building feature with lifts and levels and climbing walls and all kinds of things for kids to explore pioneer heritage. Another thing that's pretty fun at Danny Kendricks West are the new cactus climbers. So that's a brand new feature in the Arvada Park. It's a non-traditional feature and allowing kids to explore creative play with the cactus. Playground renovations are an integral part of our capital improvement and maintenance program. We budget taking lasting care funds every year to ensure our facilities are there to stand the test of time for our residents. Typically, our playground facilities have an expected lifespan of 15 to 20 years, depending on what they're made of and the amount of wear and tear.
I think the biggest thing that I really want to point out is going to the full rubber matting underneath all of our playgrounds. It's meant for the impact attenuation rating. So if a kid falls, it disperses energy out. It doesn't disperse it back up through their body. And it's the safest way to go in a playground.
We give Parks Maintenance Division huge kudos to consistently maintaining our parks, trails, and open spaces. The Parks and Urban Design Division helps facilitate the capital improvement piece of that maintenance, but they take care of the day-to-day needs.
And we make a great team. I believe that people really enjoy what we bring and what we offer them out here, and this is just one way of us saying thank you.